Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got a club car here. The problem is you drive it, check engine light stays on. Not the oil light, check engine light, just staying solid. Well, I'm going to show you how to turn it off, get it to show you what code is going on with it. All right? I'm going to turn the key off. 1, 2, 3. It'll blink you a code and tell you what's going on with it. And you can see this here going to be 8, 9, 10. And that's well, the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 1, 1. You got another code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what code 10 means, it was low battery voltage. So what I did was took my voltmeter out, put it on my gas battery, cranked it up in neutral. We're in tow maintenance mode. It was putting out 11 volts, wasn't even charging. So if you get a code 10, make sure you test your battery, make sure it's charging. Hey, hey, hey.
There is only one true golf cart whisperer, and that is me.
90, 380, 270, 380. And what had happened, man, is the potentiometer in there has gone bad and it's starting to fluctuate. So what happens is whenever you drive it, you start to speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down. And eventually what will happen, man, is it will overvolt the input side of the controller and shut it down. Or if it gets out of calibration and it shows too high of a voltage before you even hit the gas, it'll shut it down for high pedal disable. So once you start seeing that fluctuation, you need to start looking at it getting replaced. Simple to change. You got to take it up. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna post some more videos. And while I'm at it here too, man, if you think the M-Core microswitch is bad, unplug the green and the blue wire. Take your paper clip or wire and jump them together, or stick your voltmeter in there. Leave the black lead on the main negative, the red lead inside the blue wire, and hit the gas. It should show voltage. Hey, hey, hey.